page 17. Page 12. This is on page 12. So can you look at your page 12? Or you turn to your page 12. First, I want to draw out this graph. Now, all of you already know SILT. Is this a U or N? Xinghui, is this a U or N? N. Good. N. Good. Is this an N? It's a U. Why is it U? Because x times x actually gives you an x square. X square is actually a positive one and it's a U. Now, but the purpose of this is actually I want to show you the y equals to Charlene x plus what? Charlene x. This one, x minus 1. Then x minus 5. Okay? So what I want you to see is actually a U shape, and then it will meet at 1, it will meet at 5. Okay? So I go back to this, I pull out my blue pen, it will meet at 1, it will meet at 5. So this is 1, this is 5. This point, a special point, and what is this point? 3, negative 4. So I write down 3, negative 4. Okay? This is the x-intercept. So what's the x-intercept? If I have x-intercept 1, x-intercept 5, what's the x-intercept? 1, 0 or 0, 1? 1, 0. The other one? 5, 0. Okay? Now, the other one is turning point. So my turning point is line of symmetry. Gerald, what's the line of symmetry? 3, very good. But 3 is not, it's only 50% correct. It must be x equals to 3. Okay? Now, lastly, the y-intercept, which is not so important. Y-intercept, I look at it, it is actually 0, 5. So this is 0, 5. Want to identify on the graph, you just draw a stroke and then you put a 5. Okay? This graph is done. Can we go to the next one? Okay, I string down a bit so you can see everything in one row. Now, I'm doing this now. I draw a star because this is something unique. Can everyone write down what is x squared? Yeah, I thought you could not come. Is it a positive x squared? But I'm very happy you're here. Can you write down, is this a positive x squared or negative x squared? Chinyang? Positive or negative x squared? Negative, right? Negative because there's an irritating negative outside, right? So x times x actually gives you an x squared. But because this is a negative, this negative will make it negative. So negative x squared, what do you expect? N or U? Jinghui, N or U? N, very good. See, you're better than Charlene. Oops. Oh yeah, okay, so cannot blame you. X minus 1, x minus 3. X minus 3. So you see, that I didn't bluff you. It's actually an N shape. It's actually an N shape. And N shape, I just need to know the point and then I transfer it over. Now I mouse over it, I tap 1, 0, 3, 0, 2, 1, 0, 3. Cut it over. So I pull out my blue pen this way. This is 1. This is 3. This point is 2, 1. And this point is 0, negative 3. Now, based on this untidy handwriting, let me reverse a bit. 0. Okay, I instead of 0, I just put negative 3. Can? Negative 3. Based on this, can you pause the video and fill in this, and this? First one is x-intercept. Second one is turning point. Can you fill in the coordinate? Third one is line of symmetry. The fourth one is y-intercept. Okay? You write, I write, we compare. Matthew is the first one, correct? The x-intercept. Okay. Turning point, line of symmetry, and the y-intercept. Okay? Okay, done. All done, huh? So this one done. Okay, let's go to the sorry, am I too fast? Okay. I aim 7 minutes we complete. Then 250 we leave this place. Okay, now conclusion. So the x-intercept is actually what? Just this value and this value. Am I correct? So we say that it's actually A and B. Line of symmetry, you take A plus B, then divide by 2. Okay? Turning point, you put this value inside. A plus B over 2. This one, you got to sub the x equals to A plus B over 2 into the EQN. Alright, the equation. I have the equation for you. This equation refers to this equation. Okay? Take note, the A and B, the sign will change one. Example, if the bracket is plus 2, then this one will be minus 2. If inside is minus 2, then this one will be just 2. Okay? So you just take note from there. Okay? Shouldn't stop you. So far okay? Can I fill in the rest of the pages? Can Now this will be one giant video, so they go and view it and then they will go and so this is done. Now practice 1. Can you look at practice 1 now? Matthew, what page is this? 13. Page 13, Can you turn to page 13 now? So forget about this. Why not we make use of this but I follow the sequence SILT, okay? S. Xinghui, S. This is plus or minus? Plus. Minimum or maximum? U. Okay, good. X-intercept, I. Intercept. Let y be 0, x equals to what? 0? Do you know why negative 2? Because this equals to 0, right? Or this equals to 0, right? So what's the other one? 1. Can you also put down 2 coordinates? What are the coordinates? Negative 2, 0. 1, 0. This is very important. This will prevent you from marking wrongly later. Now, wait a minute. Go to L first. Okay, can I retract to the question? Now, you look, the question says x-intercept. They also say what? Y-intercept. If they ask, you give. If they never ask, you just give x-intercept will do. But if you're not sure, you just give both. No harm. Right, so since they want the y-intercept, can we do the y-intercept first? Let's go back to I again. Y-intercept. What is the y-intercept? Let x be 0. So literally you put inside the equation. Matthew, can you help me? Y equals to what? 0 plus 2. 0 minus 1. 2 is 2. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So it's negative 2. So this is the problem when you always don't want to write the intermediate step. Also no use. Wrong means wrong. So the answer is negative 2. But not good enough. Not good enough. You have to write down the coordinates. 0, even though no mark. But it's good to write. Okay, now next. Who sent me so many messages? Okay, now next. L. L stands for Line of symmetry. Jin Yang, for this kind of graph, how do I find line of symmetry? Forgot. Turn to the last page. Jia Yan, how do I find line of symmetry for this kind of graph? This kind of bracket. How do I find line of symmetry? Mirror line. How do I find mirror line? Not sure. X1 plus X2. So what's the X1, X2? Which one? So many things. Can you write down yourself? Write down. Don't wait. Then you compare giant answer. Which one is the X1, X2? Can I teach you a secret? Plot this point on the graph. Can you do that now? Negative 2 here. Negative 1 is here. Right? I also have 0, negative 2 is here. Now, I want you to pay attention to these 2 points. Giant. Do you agree that if this is the 2 x-intercept, the line of symmetry must be between or outside? Between. Between means in between these 2. So you can also remember in between these 2 means I take the 2 number, add together, divide by 2. Okay? So line of symmetry, can you write down? It's actually x equal negative 2 plus 1 over 2. What's the answer? Negative 0.5. Okay, good. So drop. Okay, time for trick question. Time for trick question. Turning point. Let's find turning point. T. Turning point what? X equals to what? Negative 0.5. This one no need to count. No need to do anything. But how to find Y? Sub. Okay, can you sub now? Y equals to, oh, my dream of leaving this place at 2:50 gone. What's the answer? Isa, what's the answer, Isa? Press calculator. Jinghui, what's the answer for the T? Negative 2.25. So this is negative 0.5, negative 2.25. Okay? Now, I'm going to draw something and then you tell me whether correct or not. Ready? Go. Like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Tiffany say wrong. Jiyang, why wrong? What's wrong with the line of symmetry? So this line of symmetry wrong, right? Where should it be? Center. Wrong. Oh, the line of symmetry should be... Should be at the turning point. Very good. I forgot to list down the turning point. Where is the turning point? Negative 0.5, negative 2.25. And where is that? Somewhere here, right? Negative 0.5, negative 2.25. So my red line is wrong. Oh my god, I regret. It should lah. It should. No matter how. You show me one example. I make you draw 100 times until it looks like. Okay, I give you a very good example. Do you see this is wrong? Because this thing like very small, right? This thing like very big, right? So what you should do is this one should go further away. Can you follow? Or the one should come nearer. So let me pull out the eraser again. So this is what I mean by you really have to try lah. So maybe the one I plot wrongly. The one should be somewhere. If this is 2, then the one should be only half of it. Agree or not? So it should be something like that. Now, if you exam draw like that, you most likely will get the mark. Because I know this is the lowest point. I know this is cutting this. I know this is going up. I know it's not perfect. like smooth, but it's not that bad. As long as you don't take ruler, join part like a V shape like that, it's okay. Okay? We are not particular until that extent, but you're going to show me a reasonable graph. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Everyone okay with this? Okay, now this is page 13, and we go on to the next one. So tomorrow we start AMAX how? Chapter 2. Yeah, then you bring AMAX textbook. Okay, this is done. Can you tell me practice 2, what page is this? Please tell me what page is this? 14. Okay, let's look at page 14 now, everyone. 14 now. Oh. Now, this is what kind of graph? Is this a bracket, or is this a complete square? I give the wrong answer. Just share which one is wrong. Which one? Is it this or that? Oh, you write wrong. Okay, now, what kind of graph is this? Is this a complete square or is this bracket? Complete square, wrong. This is actually bracket. But don't seem like only have one bracket. Complete square means turn to the last page, it looks something like this. I have something square, then behind got some residue one, got plus a number behind one. This is called complete square. You don't identify the two different forms, you cannot do the question. Come back to here. Why do I say this one look like bracket? Don't expand, please. You just put a bracket. Then it look like got two brackets, lor. Can follow? So not that bad, this one just like that only. Need to write or not? No need. If you can identify, no need. Start with S. S stands for what? Shape. Vice, N or U? Oh, sorry, N. U, because this is x square, positive. A. I. Extra, this one x and y again. Give law, give. So I want x intercept, what do I do? Then x equals to what? 0 and negative 4. Can you fill in the 2 intercept? Do you know why x equals to 0? Because I got two brackets now, right? First bracket equals 0. Cannot see You cover the other eye. Cannot see Can you imagine, Tiffany, I have x plus 1, x plus 4 equals 0. What do you say? First bracket equal 0. Second bracket equal 0. This one also same as first bracket equal 0. Second bracket equal 0. Just that the first bracket here beside there's no number. So it seems like, actually it's just x equals to 0. So what's the first coordinate, Rachel? 0, 0. What's the second coordinate? Negative 4, 0. If you want, you can really plot it down. As you do, you plot it down. Then you won't get confused. I want to find the y-intercept, let x be 0. Y equals to 0. Yay. What's the coordinate? 0, 0. What happens if they repeat? Repeat lor. 0, 0. It's okay. Now next, I. What's after I? L. Matthew, what is how to find L? What is the x1? So draw the negative 2. And what is my last one? T stands for? Turning point. 2, something. What do I do? Sub in. Negative 2 bracket. Negative 2 plus 4 equals. Do you know how I get this sorcery? How do I get this sorcery? I get it from top. Can you see or not? But what happened to x? I replace with negative 2. Why is it 0 minus 4? Because I say x1 plus x2. x1 is 0, x2 is negative 4. X1 plus x2. But minus are then minus 3 more minutes and I'm late for meeting. Okay, now let's continue. So from yes. So what's the number? 4. Really? 4. Negative 4. So plot your point, done, do, da, di, do, da, like that. Yeah, full mark, 3 mark. All okay? Okay, let's go to the next one. What's the video lah? Huh? This one good Matthew say, where's the point? Please label Why must label Because nobody will mark your working We only mark the graph So anything you plot on the graph, I will mark. Anything you plot outside, I don't mark. The graph must have what? Must have everything like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. All must have. So this is the actual complete thing. Oh, okay. Mirror line also must draw. Next. Wow, this one how? Can I go to Desmos? Can I create a video later because I'm late for meeting? This one got something wrong, right? Why is it still this? Can you cancel this? Can you cancel this? It should be the other one, right? Yeah, long. X what? Plus. They use minus, is it? Minus h square plus k. Then this one will be hk, Hong Kong. This one will be x equals to h. This one will be x-intercept. Nonsense. Can you cancel this? This is y-intercept. Y-intercept will be y-intercept is let what? Let x be 0. Why have I got 2? No nonsense. This one nothing. So then you just write down let x be 0, okay? Then you have 1 point. 0, comma something like that, okay? I think they cut and paste. That's why like that. The top one, can I create another video and then I fill in the blank for you? Sure. So 3 o'clock and I'm late for meeting. Okay, now I will do Amex. Okay? Can you bring this set of notes because I want to link Amex to Emax. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Bring